come on in to Seco's Inspiration Through Innovation event.
We host the event, Inspiration Through Innovation, with our partners for so many reasons. One is to really demonstrate the value of collaboration in the pursuit of innovation. And that's such a big thing, especially with our partners, because we do work together. We work together on the demonstrations, we work together on the whole seminar program, the entire program itself. And it just brings so much to our partnerships and our relationships, but more importantly, it shows the value of those collaborations for our customers and what we can do when it comes to solution provision for them when we work together.
An event like this, I think what's going on today is networking. You know, in terms of efficiency, we've been in a virtual world for so long. I think the real magic happens when people come together, and I think that's what I see going on. There's some great conversations, great engagement, great discussions, and I think people coming together, that's what's going on today, really.
And so what is it that you've taken away from being here?
A lot of different cutting techniques, different machines, different accessories to the machines like presetters. So yeah, there's a lot of technology in here.
This is our first physical and virtual event. So today, you know, this is our first time doing this in this way for Inspiration Through Innovation. What people expect or can take advantage of here is getting to be part of a live show, getting to enjoy learning about different types of demonstrations in one element, and then for those on site, they can go and talk to the experts, they can learn about more information about the things that interest them the most. For our virtual attendees, they can have access to all of the content online, they can ask questions in the chat, and they have also just as much access. They know also that they can get in touch with their Seco Tools technical sales engineer to find out more information, which is really great. We want to pique people's interest. We don't want to give everything away. We want to tell them, you know, this is what we want to share.
So the aerospace industry is a massive part of Starrag. The ability to come together with partnerships such as Seco are hugely important as we transition to electrification, a greater focus on sustainability, and of course the environment.
Things are always moving, things are always changing. We're always trying to raise the bar in terms of manufacturing, so what might be world class today won't be world class tomorrow, but when you come back next year, we'll give you again something that's really moved the bar, raised the bar, changed the game. So things are always changing, and we want to stay ahead of that curve and always deliver something that's right at the forefront of technology.
The aerospace industry at the moment is starting to look really buoyant. I mean, we've been through the very quiet times, but now it's definitely on the pickup. Everyone's busy, everyone's talking projects, and I think the future's looking really nice.
Obviously, we're here at Seco for the Aero ITI. In the aerospace industry, there's a lot of change, a lot of rapid change, and we really feel that digitalisation is a key part of that, a key driver to support our customers, to support Seco's customers, and the collaboration we have together enables us to use a true digital twin in our software with the real machine tools that the guys here at Seco have on the shop floor, and together we can really produce high quality processes for our customers together.
We love working with MTD. We have a really good relationship. MTD is our producer for the event, so we work together on the entire vision of what it's going to be like, and then on producing it during the day. And it's just been such a great experience because we always get to be really creative, try something new. We live and we learn from all of the work that we do together, and we just always have such a good time. It's really good.
We're all one big family, and I think it's the professionalism of MTD, the creativity that they bring as well. And we all just seem to integrate really well, we work together really well, and we produce a great event. And that wouldn't be possible without MTD. You know, we're experts at manufacturing, you guys are experts at pulling this kind of thing together. So again, it's another great collaboration that just delivers amazing results.
This is what we can do when we work together, and come and ask us more.
And if you think you've missed out, you absolutely haven't, because the whole event can be found online at secotools.com.